We're here in Letchworth to recruit more people to our Connectors Army. If you speak to people every day through your jobs, you could be just who we're looking for.
We're looking for people who can signpost people to the local activities that are going on, simply by having a chat and handing out our leaflets. You could be a newsagent, a taxi driver, a hairdresser, anyone who works with members of the public regularly.
I feel that Letchworth has needed something like this for a very long time. A lot of people, especially the older people, don't know what is available to them out there, and I think this is a good way of getting it to them, because the more people that will sign up, the more the word will get around to people that this is there, and they'll be able to go and find out what's going on. So definitely more companies to sign up.
If they can get through to the aged population, to get them out, there is a life out there. You've got to get out. You've got to meet people.
I think it's needed country-wise. We have got an aged population. Everybody knows it's a growing population, and everybody's going to get there in the end. And it's something that has probably been needed for a long, long while. There's a lot of people that I know that won't go out the doors, and they can help them.